Hey Team U, it's Eric. Happy end of June. I have some updates to share for you and with you, and then we'll talk about some fun stuff. So without further ado, here we go. On the business aspect of things, I want to talk about the new staff, and the most important thing is the new staff. So we had some retirements and a couple shuffles, and so we were able to hire a new front office person. Her name is Brenda Topete Ramirez, and Brenda comes to us as a bilingual aide who's going to help out in the office as much as possible with our Hispanic population and those who speak Spanish, as well as doing some reading groups. So that's awesome. And we welcome Brenda here. Elizabeth Bowman. Elizabeth is going to accept one of our fifth grade openings. And so welcome, Elizabeth. She is a brand new teacher. And we're excited to have Elizabeth here with us. So welcome, Elizabeth. And Paige Versalis. She is going to take over our open transitional kindergarten position. Paige is also a brand new teacher, so we welcome Paige to the Unity family. So please join me in making sure that they feel welcome and comfortable and have everything they need to have a successful start of the year. Brenda, Paige, and Elizabeth. You may or may not know, but we also have one more fifth grade position that we're hiring for, and so look out for that news at the end of July. Speaking of summer activities, we had a group of us go down to San Antonio and listen to Eric Jensen and engaging in teaching with poverty in mind. Extremely powerful experience, and I've asked those staff members to give some information to you as they reflect on the learnings that took place in San Antonio. So look out for that at the end of July in the roundtable then. And then finally, Daniel and Heath and Rochelle are working hard to make this a very clean and ready facility when you return. So the 3-5 wing has been covered. The main office has been covered. They're working on band and music as I speak. And then they're going to transition to the kindergarten, first and second grade wings. So thank you, Daniel, Rochelle, and Heath for working so hard in the absence of our teaching staff. So that takes care of things here. We do have some new furniture in places, some new sticky decals on the windows, and just some random things that I'm going to try to post some pictures on here in this roundtable. So if you have anything that you want some maintenance on or anything you forgot about, just shoot me a text or shoot me an email, and we'll make sure to get it covered. So on the personal side of things, I've been to camping quite a bit. Me and my family are going to Yankton this upcoming week, so I will be out of office for about a week and 2 or 3 days starting this Thursday. So whenever you get this, Thursday, June 28th is when I will be out until after July 9th. I'll be back in the office Monday, July 9th. So if you have anything, I'll still have my phone on, so just shoot me an email or a text like I said. Also, we're going to go to Black Hills, so that'll be fun. Mid-July, taking the family up to the Black Hills and going to do some sightseeing up there and hang out with the family. If you want to share your goings-on, here's the fun part, the personal side. I encourage you to use your Twitter account or sign up for Twitter, and once you get there, use that little number sign or hashtag, and hashtag TeamUSummer. This would be kind of a compository of all of our staff members' fun things going on. So if you feel so inclined, hashtag TeamUSummer, and then tweet out or send pictures or video of some of the cool things that you're doing. I really hope to see some cool stuff. It can be work-related, but it doesn't have to be. If you're fishing, if you're swinging on a zip line, if you're hanging out by the pool, whatever you want to post up there, please feel free and encouraged to do so. So again, hashtag TeamUSummer. I will do a couple pictures from my recent trip back from Rochester, and that'll give you kind of an example to follow. So I hope you're having an incredible June. I hope you have an incredible July, and we will talk soon. Take it easy, Team U.